Oppy Soup Kitchen. Tonight we are making
Meatloaf!
Yes, it is Sunday and we have had a weekend of lots of sick. You can probably tell my assistant here, she still has what we call as moms the sick eyes. She's been running a fever the past couple days, and so we wanted something that was hearty, and my meatloaf is just the ticket. So we are starting off with 2 pounds of ground burger, and we're gonna add to that 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Yep, dump it in there. Okay. We are gonna add to that 1 teaspoon each of oregano and basil. We are going to add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, let's make sure we get it on. We are gonna add 2 tablespoons of good old Worcestershire sauce. Okay, good job. We're going to add
Milk.
1/2 cup of milk.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it got over my finger.
We're gonna add a cup of breadcrumbs, and these are just like, I put the container away, but just, you know, whatever kind you want. I like to get the Italian seasoned breadcrumbs, but you can get whatever you want. We're gonna add either 1 small onion diced or 1/2 of a large onion, whichever works best for you. And then we have
An egg!
So she did not like that very much, but I needed somewhere to break the egg, and her head was the place to do it. So now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, what happens next? What do we do? What am I going to do with these things? No, I'm not going to take them off. I'm going to mix it. Okay, so we are going to mix all these ingredients up.
Mom, don't add the egg anymore.
Okay.
That hurt my head.
I'm so sorry.
If you're not sorry.
You know what? I think we're gonna need more breadcrumbs. I feel like this is way too gushy for my liking.
No.
Can you do me a favor, assistant?
What?
Can you go in there?
In the living room?
No, honey, not in the living room. Over here in this cabinet.
This?
Nope, right there. This one. Open it up.
Where's it at?
And where did I put them? Oh, they're back there in the back in that blue. Here, we're gonna use my foot and show you. That container right there. Can you get that for me? Right. Oh gosh. I need it. Turn it. Keep going.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep turning. Keep turning. Turn. 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 Stop! See that blue container? There she is! I need it. Okay, put it. I can't touch it. You gotta do it. I'll get back up there. Can you open the top? I'm not sure how this is gonna go, friends. Now, can you stick your hand in there, get a handful, and put it in my bowl? There you go. Put it in there. Go ahead, put it in my bowl. Good job. A little bit, another handful. Not really sure what this measurement is. 2 autumn fists is what I needed to add. All right, great job. Thank you so.
I can tell you get the.
Sure. All right, so I'm just gonna mix while she puts that away.
Well, I'm mixing it. I'm mixing it.
Now, can you reach that pan? You don't have to shut that because it's not correct. That's fine. Just leave it. Can you reach that pan and bring it to me? Okay. Now we are going to take the burger and we're going to put it in our pan. Like this. Oh, and just so you know, I did lightly grease this pan. And I'm just, and you can actually do this in just like a baking dish and just shape it into a loaf. I have found that using this bread pan really just makes it the perfect size and shape. So I just squish it down into there.
Mom, if you have an egg, give to the silver, I'll not help. No.
Oh.
I want you. I'll crack it on your head.
Oh, you're gonna crack one on my head next time?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We'll see about that.
Don't do that to me.
Okay. So I am now going to put this in an oven that is preheated to 350.
And then what are we gonna do?
We're gonna let it cook for 45 minutes, but in just a few minutes, we are gonna come back to make the glaze that goes over top of the meatloaf. That doesn't go on yet. First, we cook it for 45 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do now.
15 seconds or a few minutes.
And we'll be back in just a few. Where are you going? We are not done yet. Get on up here, assistant. What do the viewers need to do?
Subscribe to Oppy Soup Kitchen. Subscribe to attention.
So we're back and we are going to make our glaze that is going to go over the meatloaf the last 15 minutes or so that it's cooking. So we're going to start with ketchup. We're going to start with half a cup of ketchup. Can you squirt that in there? Need some help?
I farted.
All right, that's close enough. Can you dump that in this cup?
Alright.
Okay, well, you know, that's not quite what we were gonna do, but.
But we're gonna poop.
Alright.
And there's poop in it.
There's not gonna be poop in this recipe, actually. Okay. Then, yep, you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. Go ahead.
Worcestershire. I'm not gonna do that.
And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
I'll taste it.
Okay?
How can I mix it?
We're gonna mix it with this.
That's what I did with my recipe.
Careful, don't do it too hard. Just lightly.
Look at this catch. I'll give you a look.
Great job.
Let's go.
And we're just going to make sure that Worcestershire is incorporated. And then we are just going to let this glaze just kind of hang out while the meatloaf cooks. And the other thing too is that when we make meatloaf, there are very specific sides that my family must have. And you cannot have 1 or 2 of the sides without all of these sides. So we do mashed potatoes and gravy, stuffing, and peas. And it must be all of them. And it's not like homemade, any of it. It's like the bagged mashed potatoes, stovetop stuffing, jar gravy, and then canned peas, which I didn't get out yet. You can make whatever sides you want with yours. That's just what my family does for mine. We'll be back. It's been 45 minutes, and what I have done is turned my heat up to 400, and I'm going to pull out my loaf. Now this is something that is my little trick. Before I put my glaze on, I am going to attempt to drain some of this grease out of here. All right, I don't know how this is gonna go, but I don't want it to be super greasy. Oh, Malanta. Oh, Malanta. Actually, there might not be any in there. Okay, well, I know it's in there. I can see it. All right, hang on. Let's try that again. There it comes. So I'm just gonna drain some of this grease out. All right. And as you can see, I've lost my assistant. She's outside playing. So I'm gonna do this part on my own. I am going to just dump my glaze on top of my loaf. I'm gonna spread it so it's all over the top. And like I said, I've increased my oven temperature to 400. Then what we're gonna do is put this bad boy back in for 15 more minutes. And this 15-minute marker is my cue to start my other sides. So depending on what sides you choose, you might have different time frames. But for me, when I put it back in for the last 15 minutes is when I start my other stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Not gonna record it because I really don't think you guys need to see me making canned peas and box of stuffing. So we will come back in 15 minutes when this is done. Our 15 minutes is up. As you can see, I have prepared all of our other not homemade sides. And we're gonna take our meatloaf out of the oven. There she is.
Meatloaf doesn't talk.
Looking pretty yummy. So I'm gonna let this sit for just a few minutes while I get all the other stuff out, and we're gonna put it on a plate, and then we'll do the taste test. Time for the taste test. I'm telling you, I don't care how you've made meatloaf in the past. Take this recipe, try it out one time. I guarantee it will be a family favorite moving forward. It has that tiny bit of spice from those red pepper flakes. It's got that savory flavor from those herbs, and it's just delicious. It's perfect for a Sunday dinner after we've had sickness all weekend. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna go devour this.